Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I will be telling you how you can convert a row table into a column table and also vice versa from column table to row table. And this you can do in HANA Studio and also you can do in SAP GUI. So let me show you the function from HANA Studio. You can see I have two tables here, sales and sales 2. And if I open this first table, sales, and you can see the table type is column store, and the other one, if I open this sales 2, and here its type is row type, and here also you can see the symbol just beside this cells. You can see it is the column and sales 2 is the row store. Now I will change this sales 2 suppose into column table. So how can I do it? So let me write it down here. So you have to write here alter table, then table name. Here my table name is sales 2 and you want to convert to column. Now you will execute this. So it is successfully executed. So now let me open it again. Or you can see this if I refresh right here, and this symbol will change to column. Let me just do it. Yes, you can see this, the symbol has changed to column store. So let me open it here. So you can see that the type has changed to column store from row store. So that's the way you can actually do from HANA Studio using this alter function. Alter table, then table name, and here you can write column, and if you want to change to row, then you should write to row. So that was from the HANA Studio. Now I want to go to the SAP GUI native viewer. So how can you do it from here? Suppose I have a table, this sales group. I want to display, go to display. Then you have an option called technical setting. Go to technical setting and then you go to this DB specific properties. So if you click on it, you can find the option here like column store or row store. You want to edit from here and you can change whatever you want to do. So this is the way you can also change the table type from SAP GUI, and also from if you want to do from HANA Studio, you can do by this way. That's all about this tutorial. Thank you for watching. Please also look into the other tutorials. I've given the links in the video description, and please comment below if you want to know more about any of the topic or what you liked about this particular tutorial. Thank you again.